Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to make a bobble edging which you can add to your scarves. So first we make a chain 6. Then additional chain 4, and at the fourth chain from the hook we'll make 4 half double crochets. See how I'm doing it. So we are left with 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull yarn through the all 5 loops. Then we'll again chain 4, and in the 4th chain from the hook we'll again repeat the same process, making 4 half double crochets, leaving 5 loops on the hook. Now again yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. Okay, a chain, and then we'll leave the loop and insert the hook in the bottom, at the bottom of the previous bobble. Get the loop back on the hook, yarn over, and pull through these 2 loops. So bobble is made. Again chain 6, and we'll attach the loop, chain to the project, to the scarf. If you like my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.